Support for the American Business Podcast comes from AnyWare Apps by Kirk Consulting, now Cherry Beckert. AnyWare apps are business software systems, and they are designed to digitize and automate your business processes. Today, I like to focus on contract management anywhere as part of AnyWare Apps software product portfolio. Contract Management Anywhere is an AI-powered vendor, customer, and legal contract management software system. It is modern, it runs on cloud, it's easy to use, and it's scalable. Because of the AI capabilities of the system, software comes with an AI chatbot that you can get your answers about any contracts that you have. Renewal dates, amounts, start dates, and other details can be learned from the system in a conversation. I have the QR code on the screen. You can scan the QR code to learn more about Contract Management Anywhere, as well as AnyWare apps in general. There is more. I have a direct email for you. You can send me a direct email about AnyWare apps and Contract Management Anywhere, kevin@kirkconsulting.com. I'll be happy to help you and help you schedule a demo session with Team AnyWare apps. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you enjoy AnyWare apps. Thank you for your support.